Make a thank you card on Canva app fast and easy. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a thank you card on Canva fast and easy way. So all what you have to do is go to Canva. Now this is the home page, as you can see. Now all what you have to do is go down below and click on this plus icon right here, and then you have to go and search for card like this, and click on the first option or the second one and click on it like this. Wait a few seconds until it takes you to this page. Now on this page you will find the cards templates, and go down until you find the thank you cards like here. Click on one of them, for example this one, and now you are able to change it as you want. Change anything from here by clicking on it and type anything you want. After you finish, click download here and everything will be done. Don't forget to like and subscribe.